Economic espionage is a genuine and extremely severe threat to international business travelers. Unfortunately, Americans, in addition to being the most targeted travelers in the world, are oftentimes the most naive too. Each year, billions of dollars worth of intellectual property and business intelligence, such as emails, proposals, confidential memos, blueprints, investment plans, are stolen, oftentimes without the victims even knowing that they've been compromised. In fact, both the Director of National Intelligence and the Director of the FBI stated before Congress that behind terrorism, the theft of American business secrets is the greatest threat to our country. No one, regardless of their position, whether that be in a corporation, in government, a nonprofit, or academia, should take the threat of economic espionage lightly. Because in all honesty, if you travel internationally, there will come a point that you will be a target. People always ask, how can we protect our intellectual property when we have people that travel repeatedly, places such as Europe, the Middle East, Africa, or Asia? And many security directors would simply recommend that the business travelers leave their electronics at home or avoid using Wi-Fi networks. But in today's global business environment, that's just not realistic. So at SMI, what we recommend is that those companies, which do have employees who will possibly become susceptible to espionage, receive the most up-to-date counter-espionage training available. And that's why we've created the Counter-Espionage for Business Travelers course. It's a realistic day-and-a-half course. We do provide longer, more personalized versions, but the day-and-a-half course is meant to teach the international business executive how the enemy targets his or her movements. We cover topics such as how electronic surveillance and exploitation is conducted in your hotel rooms and in taxi cabs, meaning how easy is it for someone to image a laptop or cell phone in your room, how strangers will try to elicit information from you, how you can be compromised into blackmail situations through the use of sexual coercion or drugs. And we cover methods of bribery and recruitment. Retired CIA officers and FBI agents who have firsthand experience performing these type of operations teach the course. And even if you've been traveling the world for decades, this course will be an eye-opener. Simply stated, a small investment in a day-and-a-half course could literally save a company millions of dollars in terms of stolen intellectual property, legal fees, and lost profits and market share. If a company is serious about protecting trade secrets, it needs to start by educating the workforce on the seriousness of corporate espionage.